to the experiment station STAPEL, an experiment station in horticulture in Brittany, France. I'd like to present to you a strategy, the push-pull strategy in horticulture, in protected horticulture, as a complementary strategy in biological control. Thrips is a big problem in horticulture, and it's very difficult to control with pesticides, and in some cases even natural enemies are not very effective anymore. So as a complementary strategy we can use the push-pull strategy. Well, what does this mean, push-pull strategy? For instance, here we have a chrysanthemum production, and in this chrysanthemum production we can apply a repellent, a natural repellent like garlic extract. And this garlic extract will repel the adult thrips from the culture, and around, as you can see, we have trap plants, very highly attractive trap plants that we've been identified. Here you see Tagetes. It's a plant that is highly attractive, one of the most attractive plants for these thrips. And what we are doing, in fact, is we apply the repellent on the culture and we attract them on the trap plants. And when the trap plants contain already quite a lot of thrips, we can get rid of the flowers immediately, so that we can, over time, reduce thrips populations. We've been doing this strategy now for three years in this greenhouse and in tunnels, and what we see is that it is best to apply 2 or 3 times this strategy in order to reduce drastically thrips production of thrips populations in this culture. Tagetes is a very interesting plant because it can be grown by our growers very easily in series, so that you always have plants available for this strategy. We can also use these plants as plant indicators, so that we can indicate very early on the development of thrips in this culture. Future studies at Estrador are aimed at using essential oils as a repellent, and for instance, sticky traps with pheromones on the side. So that's another possibility of implementing push-pull in horticulture. Thank you very much for your attention.